After pioneering ice and water dispensing technology for the healthcare market more than 30 years ago, Scotsman has been a leader in the industry, completing thousands of installations in large university hospitals and small local clinics, and inventing the softest ice forms available. At Scotsman, our goal has always been clear: putting health and safety first for both patients and staff. After all, patients and their families count on staff to provide superior care and a comforting experience. If the equipment they use is unreliable, their job becomes even more challenging. That's why Scotsman developed Meridian, the very latest in ice and water dispensing technology. For the well-being and comfort of patients and their families, for your staff's satisfaction and efficiency, for the health of your business, Meridian delivers. Born from extensive market research and a track record of experience and performance, and designed with the space, production, and installation needs of the healthcare market in mind, Meridian provides superior reliability, time-saving serviceability, and field-tested sanitation you can trust. Meridian also brings the softest ice form, the all-new H2 Nugget, to the market for the first time, combining the most satisfying ice with the most consistent, reliable dispensing solution. And because ice is such an essential part of caregiving, whether served alone for chewing, as part of a refreshing beverage, or in packs to reduce swelling, there's no better choice than Meridian for reliable performance in today's healthcare facilities. Meridian's best-in-class dispensing technology features infrared touch-free sensors that control start and duration. An enlarged dispensing envelope and offset placement of spouts optimizes space, allowing an easy fit for a variety of container shapes. On the inside, Meridian boasts Scotsman's all-new proprietary greaseless bearing design, completely sealed and lubricated to completely eliminate the need for greasing. With no wearable parts, this exclusive technology saves your maintenance team valuable time and labor. Meridian features contoured sides, which house an external air filter, allowing better breathability while reducing needed clearance. Overall, Meridian provides the industry's smallest operational footprint relative to capacity, making it ideal for areas where space is at a premium. When it comes to efficiency, Meridian leads the market. With electronic controls and a compressor that reduces energy consumption, Meridian is up to 15% more efficient than the competition and exceeds new Department of Energy standards. Most importantly for patients, it's quiet, delivering the ice you need without distraction. But all that reliable performance means nothing if your dispenser isn't easy to maintain. Prolonged downtime due to complicated maintenance can equal costly obstacles for your team. With Meridian, you get quick and easy serviceability that helps guarantee reliability for years to come. From internal LED indicator lights that keep maintenance staff informed of your unit's status, to a convenient USB port that allows for on-site software updates, Meridian helps you save time and prevent expensive repairs. And with front access to 100% of Meridian's key components and a convenient test mode that activates key components for troubleshooting, technicians can instantly diagnose potential issues. There's even a convenient QR code, exclusive to Scotsman, that connects users to unit-specific information like parts lists, warranties, and cleaning instructions. But quick and easy service is only one part of the equation. In the healthcare market, there's nothing more important than convenient, effective cleanability. And once again, Scotsman delivers with Meridian. From the easily visible external air filter that keeps cleaning top of mind, to the built-in Aegon antimicrobial protection, Meridian units are designed to ensure sanitary operation at all times, even between regular cleanings. Cleaning your Meridian unit is simple, requiring no additional tools or accessories. And with a removable storage bin, sink, and grill, it's easier than ever to gain access to hard-to-reach areas. From cost and time savings to smart construction and intuitive features, Meridian helps today's healthcare providers serve patients and their families more effectively and efficiently than ever. The all-new Meridian series, developed specifically for the healthcare market and available only from Scotsman. reliability, serviceability, cleanability. That's the Meridian difference.